Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify investment account holdings with Robinhood. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Tap on the account icon to access your account details. In the account menu, select Investing to view your portfolio. Here, you will see an overview of your investment holdings. Scroll down to see a detailed list of all your assets. To verify any specific holding, tap on the individual asset. This will take you to a page with detailed information about that investment. Review the current price, quantity held, and any associated gains or losses. To see more data, explore options like News and Performance. If you need to verify your account balance, tap on your cash at the top. This will show you both your buying power and cash available. If required, navigate back to the account section to review transaction history. Here, you can check for any recent purchases or sales. If you still have questions, consider visiting the support section in the app. This will provide you with additional resources for assistance. Once you've verified your holdings, you can log out securely. Return to the home screen and tap on the account icon again. Select Log Out to exit your account safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.